Hi, I'm John Kouiltъr and I've teamed up with Neff to bring you Tuscan-inspired recipes, and today it's flourless hazelnut and chocolate cake. So before we start, let's preheat the oven. I'm using Papa de Boschi's hazelnuts from Italy, and a little bit sweeter than your average hazelnut, and they absolutely make this torte. So it starts with 200 grams of ground hazelnuts, 50 grams of ground almonds, salt, and cocoa powder. And now we separate 4 eggs. Now let's add the wet ingredients in. So we've got some hazelnut liqueur, and then I'm going to use some Italian olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to incorporate those ingredients. And now we need to whisk the egg whites to stiff peaks. We'll put 2/3 into the mixture, thoroughly combine it, and then we're going to very gently add the last third in by trying to keep as much air in the mixture so we get as much height and rise, and that cake's really fluffy. So the torte's going in the oven. I just love that door, don't you? It's going in the oven at 180 for 30 minutes. The torte's looking absolutely fabulous. And now, while it cools down, I'm gonna make a hazelnut brittle. Next up, you need your twist pad. And then let's fire up our stove. And now we're gonna get our sugar into our pan. And all you do is swirl it. And then to finish the cake, we dust it with some icing sugar. Flourless hazelnut and chocolate torte with a hazelnut brittle. I'm John Kouiltъr, and you're going to want to cook this one.